The doctor does an adjustment, the muscles do not pull the bone back out of alignment. And because the bones are being put into place with warm muscle, you won't have that residual soreness that you normally get. If you see yourself, or rather, if you get an adjustment without the muscle tissue being warmed up, it's very traumatizing. It's no different than a small car wreck, because you got to think about that adjustment in that whatever they're doing, vertebrae or pelvis or low back or whatever it may be.